don't know if light is clear. Good morning. I just got a new package, and by just looking at the carton or at this box, you can easily tell what this is. And now let's try and unbox it so that we just see what is inside. So let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. Wow! Wow! There goes. There it goes. Can you see it clearly? My God. Let's see what this is. Oh, hii ya chini, si ndio? Hii ni ya kufunika. Buti weke hapa. This is the original sponge ya kuosha. You see how it looks like? Oh, there are two. There are two. Nice. There are two. Put them here. Let's focus here. Oh, this is the handle. This one I know it. And then let us take the big one. And then we have this one in the box. This one is a handle, right? Yeah. And then finally down. There goes the box. Finally down. So these ones are good. Ooh! Isianze kupasuka na ndio imeletwa. These two. This one. The handle. And now the big one. Which looks cute.